Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll guide you how to install PWA apps in your iOS device. You can find PWA link of your native app under Test App section in your My Apps area. Copy PWA link, open your Safari browser, paste the link in address bar and go. Now tap on download button. Tap on install. Allow permission to open settings for configuring the app. Install profile screen will appear. Tap on install. Again, tap on install. Click on done to complete the PWA installation. Now go to your home screen. Tap on app. It will take you to the App Store. Install PWA Launcher app. This app is needed for installing your PWA app on your iOS device. Open it. Allow permission to seamlessly run on your iOS device. Now go back to your home screen. Tap on app. It will be successfully launched. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.